What's going on, everybody? So today, actually, over the weekend, me and my pops pulled out the T56 and we got it fixed. The issue was all the keys, all three keys for the second gear synchronizer were broken. So I bought the billet upgraded keys. I didn't record a video of that because this is my only car right now. It's my daily driver. So we was kind of like in a rush trying to get it fixed. So I didn't want to record. I was trying to record, but it was taking too long moving the camera and stuff around. But I did find some other stuff in there that I do want to upgrade. It's not an issue right now. It's gonna be fine right now, but I'm gonna do it later on. And then when I do that one, I will be recording it because hopefully by then I have some stuff in the works. I'll be having a second car real soon. So that's the plan. But and I got my injectors too, so I'm gonna be doing my injectors this weekend, and then on Monday I'm gonna be hitting the dyno. So I got a lot of content coming for y'all. So let's jump right into it. appreciate y'all tuning in to just a quick another little POV video and some raw sounds of the the LS. I personally kind of like the popping noise that it make. Ever since I got the tune, it's been doing that. I didn't ask for no type of burble tune or anything, but as when we were on the dyno, as he was cleaning up the fuel trim, when he had back off, I noticed on the dyno that it was popping and stuff, and I was like, okay, that sounds pretty cool. I noticed that Mike's, because I watch his channel a lot too. His 350Z does it a lot with the LSA, and his Vets pretty much do it too, but his 350Z does it a lot more. His exhaust setups is mostly X pipes, and I know mine is a Y pipe. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but I like how it sounds, so I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see y'all next time. Next time is gonna be actually me working, because I got the, like I said, I got the injectors, I got my knock sensor harness, because I've been having to check engine light for the knock sensor, and on the dyno he didn't notice anything out of the ordinary, so I got 2 new knock sensors in there, so I'm gonna try and change the harness, because the harness is something that I didn't replace when I got the engine, and this is a junkyard engine. So yeah, I'm gonna try that out and do the injectors, do that, and I have a slight exhaust leak from my driver side header. So when I was doing the trans, I have to let go of that header, and the exhaust gasket got a little pinch, so I have a real slight leak. But I want to make sure everything's in good shape for when I hit the dyno on Monday. So yeah, so I'll be coming back soon. I'll see y'all shortly.